How the leasing process works. So you found SCA, whether it was through searching for an apartment online or by a word-of-mouth referral from someone currently living in our community or from someone who's lived with us in the past. Where do you go from there? This year, we've streamlined the process from inquiry to becoming a resident with the help of local creatives over at JetPack with our new and improved leasing page. When you visit sustainableca.com/leasing, you can view video tours, photos, and floor plans for every unit that we know will be opening up in the coming months, along with their available date and monthly rental rate. We do our best to keep this process as easy as possible by not bogging you down with 15 different fees, and to keep things straightforward so that you can make the decision that's best for you. Once you find a unit that suits your needs, all you need to do is complete our inquiry form and someone will be in touch with you by at least the following business day. The best part is, even if you don't see something that works for you right now, we've added a subscribe button so that you can be notified by email when new units are available and uploaded to our website. Have questions about the leasing process? Send us a message. We'll be more than happy to walk you through it.